So once you've got all the sides connected to each other, you want to take the bottom piece. Now this is the bottom side of my bottom piece. It's still got the canvas texture from when I rolled it. And I went ahead and put my stamp that I use, or you can carve in your signature. This is a good time to do that because later on it's going to be difficult. So flip it right side up to the smooth side, and then get an area moist that's going to be in far enough to be as small as this square is here, which in this case each side is about 8 inches. So I want to make sure that I am scoring far enough in that the walls are going to meet that scored area. Again, use a nice good amount of slip. And you can just do the slip on the bottom here. You don't necessarily have to do it on these because they're going to be pressing right into that. So score that up once you've got the slip on there. And then also moisten the bottoms of all of your walls and get them really well scored and moistened. And once you've done that, you can put them together, and I'll show you that next.